Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson Family. Write true or false. There are many members in a small family. False. Extended family members always stay together. True. Family get-togethers are fun. True. Some families have pets. True. It is important to take care of pets if we have them. True. Next, who is this? They are Joy's cousins and live in the US. Lizzie and Annie. Their son is 3 years old. Aunt Sophia and Uncle William. Uncle William. He will pick up Joy's grand uncle and grand aunt. Joy's father. She will bake Nana's birthday cake. Nani. Next, answer the following questions. What do you understand by an extended family? Extended family consisting of grandparents, parents, children, uncles, aunts, and cousins. List 3 ways by which there is an addition in the number of family members. The three ways by which there is an addition in the family members are adoption, birth, and marriage. I'll write it here. Adoption, birth, and marriage. These are the 3 ways. Do you think it is good to have pets at home? Give a reason for your answer. Yes, it's good to have pets at home. So, if there's pets at home, we can play with that pets. It is not always possible for the extended family to live together. Why? Fourth one. Because they might have to move for work or marriage. Okay. Next, we should share responsibilities at home. Do you agree? Why or why not? is we have to share the responsibilities at home, because if we share the responsibilities, so the burden will be sharing with all, not only a single person. That's good to share the responsibilities. Okay. So this is about the information we have to fill. So what's your name, what's your father's doing, what's your mother is doing, all these things. So you have to do it yourself. Okay. Tomorrow we will see chapter 2, feelings. Okay. Thank you.